honor Shri Pradeep Singh, PCS, along with our worthy principal ma'am and staff members, have just entered the hall. Thank you, everyone. May you please be seated. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the convocation ceremony of Government College of Yoga Education and Health. As you all know, it is a mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and arts, represents the free flow of wisdom and consciousness. Her four hands represents four aspects of human personality in learning, that is, mind, intellect, alertness and purity of thoughts. May I now request Dr. Gunnidhi Sharma and team to recite Manch Chanting and Saraswati Vandanam. I also request all the dignitaries on the dais to come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony and symbolically inaugurate the program. unforgettable day of any student's life, as it returns the efforts of their entire academic endeavor, and it is steeped with the sense of achievement and fulfillment, and most importantly, it makes them work harder to build a successful career ahead. Thus, we will give our 100% to make it more memorable and exciting for you all out there. Now, may I please request Madam Principal to deliver the welcome address followed by annual report of the college.
Very blessed afternoon to all. It gives me an immense pleasure to extend a very genial reception to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Sarpreet Singh Gill, IS, Secretary Education, Chandigarh Administration, to the portals of this premier institute on the solemn occasion of Convocation 2021. I am indeed honored to accord a very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Shri Jagjit Singh Sir, PCS, Director Higher Education, Chandigarh Administration, all other esteemed guests and students present on this occasion. Yoga education has come of age in this city beautiful, and administration has a laudable role in making this happen. This institution is the first in the country to bring yoga education to the folds of formal education by rendering bachelor's degree to turn out yoga teachers at professional level. Chandigarh administration had that vision about the institute, which has brought to its present form and stature, and it speaks volume about the commitment and the sincerity shared at higher echoes of part towards the spread and promotion of yoga education in this city beautiful, as well as extending its benefit at global level. True to the unique nature of City Beautiful, which promises balanced growth in present day times, Government Yoga Health Organization was established by Chandigarh administration in the year 1962. Another landmark was added to when in July 1976, one in yoga was made Government College of Education for all its academic surveillance. The course of Bachelor of Education was affiliated from prestigious Punjab University. It was introduced in July 1982. Postgraduate Diploma in Yoga Therapy was introduced here in 2007 by University Grants Commission, and further Basic Certificate course in Yoga Education was also introduced in the year 2014, which has recognition from Punjab University. The landmark decision of Chandigarh administration in the session 2008-9 to upgrade this institution as an independent college, and it was rechristened as Government College of Yoga Education and Health. It is the only government yoga education college all over India, providing congenial educational environment and extends its services, taking care of physiological, psychological, and spiritual health of the citizens by organizing extensive outreach programs and activities around the year. At present, the college runs 8 yoga fitness sessions all throughout the day for holistic well-being of the general public, and also have a separate yoga therapy wing to cater to the health needs of the residents of City Beautiful. Taking benefits of yoga at the doorsteps of people, this college, in collaboration with Ayush Department, manages and supervises 38 yoga sub-centers at various government schools and health and wellness centers of the city. This college has very strong academic foundation with a long history of numerous merit positions in the university every year. Over the past 5 years, from session 2015-16 till 2018-20, all the 89 students of B.Ed Yoga secured first position in the university examination. Postgraduate Diploma in Yoga Therapy, 2 witnessed 100% result. 110 students appeared in university examination, and all of them were placed in first division. Apart from excelling in academics, college also contributes to overall growth and development of students by providing them ample opportunities to showcase their flair in various co-curricular activities through talent hunt competitions, youth festival, and sports meet, etc. Our students have brought laurels to the institute by securing positions and medals in Punjab University's Zonal Youth Festival. The college girls Luddi team bagged first position in 2016, third position in 2017, second position in 2018, and first position again in 2019, apart from winning various positions, individual positions in various other cultural items. Our students have also participated enthusiastically in Punjab University annual athletic meet and have made us proud by clinching medals in broad categories of individual events and team games. In 2017, our girls yoga team, boys volleyball team bagged gold medal, our girls kho-kho team and badminton team won silver medal, and boys basketball team and table tennis team clinched bronze medal, apart from winning medals in various athletic activities. In the year 2018-19, boys volleyball team, table tennis, badminton, and girls yoga team won silver medal, boys yoga team won bronze medal. This college has also endeavored numerous maiden initiatives, constantly striving for its growth and perfection, to provide a platform to the students and yoga lovers to exhibit their ideas and creativity on wide spectrum of research and literature in the field of yoga. This college published its first volume of annual magazine Kalash, half-yearly newsletter Yog Vritant, research journal Yogic Insight, and handbook of information on integrated approach to holistic health in year 2020. This college got the honor of being the first ever institute in the Tri-City to have solid waste management project and contributing to Clean and Green Chandigarh campaign. Keeping pace with the times, our esteemed institute is also spreading its wings in the field of research and working on research projects in collaboration with Ministry of Science and Technology for Yoga and Meditation, commonly known as Satyam, with Spiritual Application Research Center of Brahma Kumaris, which is affiliated to United Nations, and a special project for jail inmates in modern Badail Jail, Chandigarh, with the support of PGI Chandigarh. A collaborative venture has also been initiated with Himachal Pradesh University, Chandigarh University, Ayush Department, Social Welfare Department, UT Chandigarh, Haryana Yoga Ayog Panchkula, Environment Department, UT Chandigarh, to provide better placement opportunity to yoga professionals. During the uncertain and unprecedented times of COVID-19, the institute worked hand in hand with Chandigarh administration to spread awareness and contributed its bit by organizing online activities for public in general, comprising of around 100 national and international webinars, workshops with eminent speakers from different domains on various aspects of nutrition, yoga, Ayurveda, complementary medicine for holistic health and well-being. Around 150 videos have been uploaded and streamed on the college YouTube channel and Facebook page to outreach maximum population across the globe. Being an indispensable part of Chandigarh administration, every year since the inception of International Day of Yoga, the college has wholeheartedly celebrated this festival for yoga lovers. These achievements and accomplishments of Government College of Yoga Education and Health are the culmination of sincere determination and wholehearted efforts of its astounding faculty, industrious office, and the supporting staff. I sincerely acknowledge and appreciate the contribution of each and every member of the faculty for taking this institution to new horizon. With these words, I once again express my heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished guest and guest of honor for their gracious presence and making this event memorable in the history of this institution. Thank you one and all for being part of this solemn occasion. Thank you so much and bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Madam Principal to request the Chief Guest to declare the convocation open.
I request you, sir, to kindly declare convocation of 2021 of Government College of Yoga Education and Health open.
I declare the convocation of Yog Health College open.
Madam, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Education Yoga, to which degree I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the principal of this college, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Education in Yoga, and in token thereof, I present you this degree and robes obtained as the insignia of this degree.
Chhatarpal, Dandeshwar, Pramila Devi, Anjali Kaushik, Anju Bala, Archana, Babli Kumari, Gursimran Singh, Hemlata. Last. Hemlata. Madam, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Education Yoga, to which degree I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of this college, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Education in Yoga, and in token thereof, I present you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as insignia of this degree.
Kalpana, Koma Devi, Manan Seth Kumra, Navjot Kaur, Shelly Bhatia, Usha Rani, Abhishek Rana, Ankita. Madam, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Education Yoga, to which degree I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of the college, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Education, and in token thereof, I present you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as insignia of this degree.
Chandra, Diksha, Dipti, Iti Bhalla, Jaspreet Kaur, Manisha, नीरू सैनी, नीता रानी, परमजीत कौर। Madam, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Education Yog, to which degree I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of this college, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Education in Yog, and in token thereof, I present you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as insignia of this degree.
Prerna, Priya Dhankar, Rekha, Urmila, Ankit, Harcharan Singh, Kumari Varsha, Manju, Manpreet Kaur, Pooja. Madam, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Education Yog, to which degree I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of this college, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Education in Yog, and in token thereof, I present you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree.
Priyanka, Sachin, Sandeep Singh, Sargun, Satya Devi, Shivani Yadav, Uma Devi, Vijender Singh, Alka, Madam, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Education Yog, to which degree I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of this college, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Education in Yog, and in token thereof, I present you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as insignia of this degree.
Kiran, Kirti Sharma, Navneesh Kamboj, Nishi Baman Mahajan, Pooja Bhardwaj, Ritika, Riya Sharma, Sachin Kapoor, Sahil, Tanuja, Vikas Kumar. Thank you, everyone. Now I hand over the mic to my colleague, Madam Sargi.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Talents and skills are crops that are nurtured and groomed and given all opportunities to grow and bloom. Convocation Day is the celebration of the harvest of this crop. So now presenting before you the students of postgraduate diploma in yoga therapy. Madam Principal, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the diploma of postgraduate diploma in yoga therapy, to which diploma I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of this college, I admit you to the diploma of postgraduate diploma in yoga therapy, and in token thereof, I present you this diploma and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as insignia of this diploma.
Rakesh Kumar, Varinder Singh, Kavya Kriti Kaul, Sachin, Madam Principal, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the diploma of postgraduate diploma in yoga therapy, to which diploma I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of this college, I admit you to the diploma of postgraduate diploma in yoga therapy, and in token thereof, I present you this diploma and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as insignia of this diploma.
Ramandeep Verma, Saurabh Gupta, Vandana Dhiman, Sonia Verma, Honey Aluwalia, Vikas Kumar, Divya. Madam Principal, I present before you these candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the diploma of postgraduate diploma in yoga therapy, to which diploma I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of this college, I admit you to the diploma of postgraduate diploma in yoga therapy, and in token thereof, I present you this diploma and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as insignia of this diploma.
Garima Sharma, Jagmeet Singh. The clap should not stop. Manjeet Kaur, Kiran Tanwar, Manjeet Kaur. So with this we come to the end of and we congratulate all the degree holders and diploma holders. May I now request our guest of honor, Shri Jagjit Singh Ji, PCS, our Director Higher Education, to address the gathering.
A very good afternoon to very respected and Honorable Shri S.S. Gill, IAS, Secretary Education, Chandigarh Administration, Dr. Sapna Nanda, Madam Principal, all faculty and staff members, and most important of all, the graduating students present here today. It's a great honor and privilege to be part of this special occasion here today amongst the young and beaming faces. I thank the principal ma'am and her team for inviting me to this memorable occasion. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every student who has received his graduation or post-graduation degree, diploma or certificates today. This is a great and defining moment for all of you, a day of celebration, a day when you look back on many challenges you might have overcome in your journey so far and look forward to those challenges which lie ahead, knowing well that now you are well equipped with knowledge and skills to face the life ahead and the challenges. It is an important day which you are never going to forget. It is the time to recognize not only your own efforts, but also of all those who supported you in this journey. Please remember that none of us would be here but for the consistent and untiring efforts of our staff and faculty members of this college. Dear students, I have been told that this college is the only government college in the region imparting teacher training in yoga, PG diploma in yoga therapy, and basic certificate course in yoga education. And alongside, the college is also running yoga sessions for general public. Moreover, it was really heartening to know about the achievements of the students in the field of education and sports, and all the more the laudable efforts done by this college in coordination and collaboration with Chandigarh administration in different aspects, and especially during the tough times of corona pandemic which we faced last year. So I thank the entire team of principal ma'am and faculty members for all their efforts, which are very appreciable. So for students, my message is that you should be very proud that you are graduating in the discipline of yoga from this premier institute. This heritage has been bestowed to you with the hope that you will take yoga in its true sense, both technically as well as aesthetically. As trained teachers of yoga, you have the chance to change the destiny of future of our country, the great India. Since the outbreak of the corona pandemic, the whole world has acknowledged yoga as a preventive healthcare measure and the essential element in holistic healthcare. The world is full of opportunities for all of you, for all the yoga professionals. So I urge you, all of you, to realize your full potential of whatever you can do with this ancient heritage. Strive to be the shining star wherever you are. Let yourself be proud. Let your family, your parents, your institute, your community, and finally your country to feel proud of you. So with these words, I once again congratulate all the graduating students and wish them all success in life. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Very kind words. And this is your maiden visit to this institute, and we assure you that with your support and under the guidance of our revered principal, we will try to live up to your expectations, sir. Thank you so much. Now, honor for all of right, our worthy chief guest, Shri Sarpreet Singh Gill, for the convocation address.
Technical education and Madam Principal. Every time I meet her, I could never guess that she was going to retire. The faculty, staff, and most important, the students who are graduating today. I'm really honored to be here. You know, when I'm looking at you, I'm reminded of the days when I was wearing a similar robe and I was graduating from Punjab University. You have allowed me to. Yes, thank you very much. I'm feeling elated to be here. Dear graduates, it's my great pleasure to congratulate you on the completion of your academic courses in the field of yoga education. I think you are all very fortunate to have chosen yoga as a profession. Today, the whole world is in need of yoga professionals, especially during the times of the pandemic. As yoga professionals, you have understood the fundamentals through scientific knowledge, and you are well informed with latest research and development, and you also possess the wisdom of the ancient literature, and you have all these qualities in you. Therefore, I believe that this college has passed on the baton of yoga for you to pass it on to the world. As graduates of yoga, you are very well positioned to avail of the great opportunities this field has to offer and contribute towards making the world a better place where every citizen does not only have a healthy body but a healthy mind and is able to radiate happiness all around you. Last not but the least, I would really like to congratulate all of you and your family and your near and dear ones. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Whenever we get the opportunity to hear you, it always fills us with positive vibes and energy. So, may I now request Madam Principal to request our worthy chief guest to declare the convocation 2021 of Government College of
You, sir, to kindly declare the convocation 2021 of Government College of Yoga Education and Health closed.
I declare the convocation closed.
Thank you, sir. It is always great and heartwarming to be acknowledged for our hard work and efforts. Now we are going to award the medals to the position holders of B.Ed Yoga for the last 4 sessions. I request our esteemed guests to grace the prize distribution ceremony. For the session 2015-17, Anjali Kaushik held the first position. Second position bagged by Manan Seth. For the session 2016-18, first position was secured by Chandra. Second position by Paramjeet Kaur. And third position secured by Prerna. For the session 2017-19, First position was secured by Priyanka. Second position bagged by Satya Devi. Third position secured by Manpreet Kaur. For the session 2018-19, first position was secured by Ajit Pal Kaur, second by Tanuja Dhatwalia, and third position held by Pooja Bhardwaj. A big round of applause for all the medal winners and position holders. With this, we come to the end of the prize distribution ceremony. Thank you to our esteemed guests for gracing the occasion. So, as we draw close to the end of this solemn day, I do understand, whereas it is a day full of joy, a day about pride and accomplishments, with a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling further commitment on one side, it also fills the heart with mixed feelings of fulfillment, eagerness, anxiety, saying goodbye to the comfortable and secure life within the college walls and getting ready to face the outside world. There is a lot more to come: goals, challenges, and opportunities. Anything is possible when you just believe in yourself. With these words, may I now call upon Mr. Rajiv Uppal, our senior most faculty member, to propose the formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, Madam Sargi. Chief guest of our today's function, Shri Sarpreet Singh Gill ji, IAS, Secretary, Education, Chandigarh Administration, Chandigarh. Our guest of honor, Shri Jagjit Singh, PCS, Director, Higher Education. On behalf of the Government College of Yoga Education and Health, Sector 23, Chandigarh, I extend my warm thanks to you, sir, for sparing your valuable time and for your kind blessings to students and to all of us. I also thank the students for coming and receiving your degrees and diplomas. The teachers who were the leading lights for the students to pass these courses, I also thank them for their blessings to the students. My special thank to our chief guest, Shri Sarpreet Singh Gill ji. He is not the student here in the function of convocation, but he was a live demonstrator of yoga. He was in meditation when our guest of honor, Shri Jagjit Singh ji, was addressing the function. He was the live example for the live meditation. Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you all. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. So with this, we come to the end of today's program. Once again, our heartfelt congratulations to all the degree holders and diploma holders. Now we'll be having a group photo.